Hi, I am Chris from RoarTheme. In this video, I will show you how to perform a quick setup to make a home page like the preset suite of Be Yours theme. Let's say that you've just installed Be Yours preset suite via official Shopify theme store. Now you are in the Customize panel. First, you need to remove all the sections on the home page. All presets have the same home page, only in different color settings. So the home page you see here is exactly like the default preset piece. That's why we have to wipe them out. But there's a rule: at least one section must be retained. You can choose any section you want. Here, I keep the guarantees section. The announcement bar section lets you communicate important information to your customers from any page. Click on Announcement Bar in the section list. I leave the settings of the section as default here, but you can change them if you want to. Click on the announcement block for settings. This is the announcement that you want to display to your customers. Optionally, you can set an URL for the text. The header section displays on all pages in your theme. Click on Header in the sections list. Choose or upload your logo here. Choose your menu. Be Yours supports both drop-down and mega menus, you can enable here. For the menu setup, click on the link for the instruction. Another logo, for the transparent header. Now I will add a mega menu. Type the name of the menu item that you want it to contain the mega menu. Here I type bags to make this mega menu display within the bags. I uncheck these options just to make it like the preset suite. I need not go into detail in this quick setup guide. For more info about these settings, please check out documentation. The mega menu block contains two promotions. For each promotion, you can set up the image, heading, description, and the URL. The same for the second promotion. Here's the result of the mega menu I've just added. A very specific section, the footer. The footer displays on all common pages across your store. You may notice the email sign-up form here. For its settings, click on the footer section. Here are the default settings. Change them to fit your need. In Suite Preset, there are one text block and two menu blocks. Click on the text block, then enter heading and subtext as you want. Click on each of the two menu blocks to set a heading and choose a menu for it. Let's set up the social icons. Go back to the footer section settings and scroll down. There is a connection here to the general theme settings, the social icons part. Just fill up your social channels here. I will start with the section that I have retained, the guarantees section. Click on the section. Here I leave blank to hide the heading. You may want to change other settings to fit your need. Click on each guarantee block to set the content, icon, heading, and content. You can add more guarantee block if you want to. The next section, countdown timer. This section displays an active countdown clock that is set to expire at a given time. This can be used for a wide range of purposes, including sales starting, stores opening, and exclusive offer expiry. To add this section, click on Add Section, then select Countdown Timer from the list. You can also type Countdown Timer in the search box to quickly find it. Select an image for the section. This setting sets the layout for the section on desktop. While Image First displays the image on the left, the Image Second displays the text on the left. You may want to change other settings to fit your need. You have options to change text color and background color here. You can also adjust the height of the top inner space and the bottom inner space of the section. These blocks represent for the components of the section. Click on the heading block to set the heading and its size. I delete the default value here. Oh wait, I forgot to add a text block. Click on the text block to set the description and its size. Click on the heading block to set the heading and its size. In the countdown block, set the end date here. The format should be month, day, year. For example, I set 12/12/2022 to make the countdown ends on December 12, 2022. You can simply set message to display once the timer reaches 0. For the button block, set the label and the link as you want. There's also an option to apply the underline style for the button. Section, Collection List. In this section, you can add a list of collections that you want to highlight. To add this section, click on Add Section, then select Collection List from the list. Enter your heading here. You may want to change other settings to fit your need. You can also adjust the height of the top inner space and the bottom inner space of the section. Each block of this section represents a specific collection. Click on a collection block for settings. Choose your collection here. By default, the block displays the featured image, or the first product's image, of the collection. But you can choose your own image here. For other collection block, just do the same. The next section, Collage. In this section, you can create a collage of videos, images, products, and collections. To add this section, click on Add Section, then select Collage from the list. Here I leave blank to hide the heading. You may want to change other settings to fit your need. Each collage section contains 3 blocks. By default, the section contains a video, product, and collection block. For the video block, choose your cover image. Set the YouTube or Vimeo video URL. The video must be publicly available. You can also describe the video to make it accessible for customers using screen readers. Optionally, set a heading for your video here. For the product block, choose the product that you want to display. This setting displays the second product image if the product has one when customers hover their cursor over the product image. You can also add a quick view button that opens a pop-up displaying the product details. For collection block, just pick the collection that you want to display. Following the preset suite. Now I will remove the collection block and add an image block. In the image block, choose your image. Set a heading and an URL. With Featured Collection section, you can add a section that displays products in one collection. To add this section, click on Add Section, then select Featured Collection from the list. Enter your heading. You can leave blank to disable the heading. Choose your collection. Here are the default settings. Change them in case of need. And here you go. The products display now. The next section. Lookbook. The Lookbook section creates pins of product on a picture board in which each pin directs customers to the product details. To add this section, click on Add Section, then select Lookbook from the list. In this section, you need to upload your image used as a picture board to pin the products on. Each look block is a pin on the picture board that represents for a product. So go choose your product here. You may want to choose a color for the pin and adjust its position to move it to your desired place on the picture board. The position is calculated by two values, x coordinate and y coordinate, which are in percent unit, from the left edge and top edge, respectively. You can also add more pins by clicking Add Block. Do the same for other blocks. The next section. In Featured Product section, you can add a section that features a specific product. To add this section, click on Add Section, then select Featured Product from the list. Within the section settings, choose a product to be displayed. Here are the default settings. Change them in case of need. These are the blocks representing for products info. You may want to change them. You can find more details about these blocks in our documentation, and the link is in this video's description. The Testimonials section helps to build social proof and increase conversions. To add this section, click on Add Section, then type Test in the search box to quickly find it, then select Testimonials from the list. In this section, simply set the heading. You also have options to adjust the rotate behavior of the testimonials. That is, there are as many testimonials as there are blocks. Click on Testimonial block for its settings. Choose a preset icon and enter your testimonial content. Set the image for the author and the name too. For other testimonial blocks, just do the same thing. Next, the Reveal banner. This section displays a banner that automatically hides or reveals its content based on the scroll behavior. To add this section, click on Add Section. Then type Reveal in the search box to quickly find it, then select Reveal Banner from the list. Following the preset suite, I will move the subheading block to top, remove the buttons block, add a text block, and put it here. Click on the section. Select an image for the section. You may want to change other settings to fit your need. You have options to change text color and overlay color here. Click on the subheading block to set the subheading and its size. Click on the heading block to set the heading and its size. Click on the text block to set the description and its size. For the text slide block, set the heading, description, button, and the button URL. You have options to change text color and background color here. Here's the result of the text slide block. The next section. Blog posts. If you have a blog on your Shopify store, then you can use a blog post section to highlight posts from that blog. To add this section, click on Add Section, then select Blog Posts from the list. Enter your heading here. Choose your blog here. You can change the image ratio for the blog post item here. You can also adjust the height of the top inner space and the bottom inner space of the section. The blocks here represent for the layout of each blog post item. Now I will remove the excerpt block and the read more block, following the design of the suite preset. Section. Tab Collage. You can create a collage of videos, images, products, and collections in tab style. To add this section, click on Add Section. Then type TA in the search box to quickly find it, then select Tab Collage from the list. To follow the suite preset, I will remove the video block, product block, collection block. And I will add more 3 image block. Make it 4 image blocks in total. In this section, enter your heading here. Sets the vertical position of the content on desktop. This setting sets the layout for the section on mobile. While Image First displays the image at the top, the Image Second displays the image at the bottom. You have options to change text color and background color here. You can also adjust the height of the top inner space and the bottom inner space of the section. Click on Image block for its settings. Upload your image here. Enter your heading and description as well. Label for button. Leave blank to hide the button. URL for the button. For other image blocks, just do the same. Go setting image, heading, description, and the button. That's all for the quick setup for the Suite preset. Please don't forget to visit our website for discounts or upcoming themes and apps. Thanks for watching.